Hi guys, welcome to Fiverr review YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with launch a successful photography business. So watch video completely guys, so don't skip this video because I will explain each and every step on this video. Let's get started. Learn the fundamental of business, the branding skills to start and run a profitable photography business guys. This course costs for $24. This course video length is 68 videos is covered for this course and plus 5.0 hours of video length. And 5.0 rating guys is already provided for 4 positive reviews. And let's get started guys. This course also provides for 30-day money back guarantees, unlimited access of anywhere and anytime, and learn from hand-written instructor of expert in the field. I will give the link in the description below guys. You will check it out and watch the very presentation of this course. And this course will be covered for this topic guys. Chapter 1, introduction to starting the photography business. And why do you want to start a photography business? What kind of photography business do you want to start? And important personal note for instructor will and case study a photography business. And chapter 2 for basic of starting photography business, introduction to basic of starting photography business, and choose your business name and choose your business structure and register your business name and get your federal tax, get your business license and get your business account and register your online account and branding your account and branding your business also, and set your pace and the photography gear you need to start a business, case study and case study. And chapter 3, get your first paying client, getting your first paying client. You need to prove yourself, the best place to find your first client, what do you charge you for your first client, on set partnering with other creatives, on set creating work and competitive user, use your first shoot wisely, case study and bonus lesson 15 tips. And chapter 4 guys is create your photography business website, introduction to create your photography business, why you need a website to platform option, what need to be on your website, and design the perfect portfolio, case study looking the photography website. And chapter 5 guys, expanding your online presence, introduction to expanding your online presence, use Instagram to grow your business, use Facebook to grow your business, get listed to on Google, get listed of Yelp, get listed of your website using Craigslist to get work, and case study. And chapter number 6, the photography business workflow, introduction to the photography business workflow, and meeting your client and booking your client, the shoot, editing your photos, delivering your photos, case study business workflow, onset the shoot, onset the backup drop, placement, onset paper backdrop rules, onset the backlight, onset interacting the client, and chapter 6. And chapter 7 for will cover for this course guys, and the scaling your business with the better infrastructure. The business infrastructure of continuous to growth and productivity tools to make you more efficient. Get your business insurance, accounting tools and tips, and business tech tips, and scaling your price up, and use conversation to meet up to grow your business, and case study and business growth. And chapter 7 and chapter 8 is telling your prints into the selling print section. Why should you sell your prints? Choose a printer and how to price your prints, selling your print online, selling your print in person, wrapping in the section chapter 6 and chapter 9. Chapter 9 is conclusion, tips for the personal and creative well-being and conclusion. And chapter 10 is final cues. And this topic will be covered this type of method guys and explain everything. Once you will purchase this course, you will be learn, understand the different kind of photography business, choose a name of your photography business, and decide your business structure, and outbrain business license for photography business, create a visual identity or constant branding for business, determining best prices for your service, know your requirement you need to start your social media business accounts, know the basic of creating high converting photography, secure first paying client, use freelance website like Fiverr Pro and get insurance accounting and get tips. Once this course will be learned, you will learn guys, start your own photography business from scratch, from essential business skills and branding tips and securing the first client, setting up a price and maintaining your growth. This course containing everything you need to start a profitable business. Learn all about what the workflow on a shoot looks like, including meeting and booking the client, shooting, editing and delivering your work. You will also learn about creating a successful business infrastructure that will be a support your continued growth and productivity tools to make you more efficient at the what you do. Finally, you will be learn how to sell your own print of maximize your profit. The benefit of starting a photography business guys, business of basic your startup business, successful new business owner, all about common business structure, the pros and cons of each, and how to navigate the business insurance, the basic of branding, new business, the latest information, and how to develop your and how to expand your online business, and how to get listed on Google, and how provided tips and tricks using conversation and meetup in the growing business. And This course needed for the requirement, guys. Only need your laptop or mobile device. That's enough, guys. Need only for internet and mobile device. And this course is already I explained this video, guys. 30-day money back guarantee, exercise, cues, English, closing caption, suitable mobile desktop. It's also provided for the reviews, some reviews. This course is amazing. I highly recommend it. Great video quality and very smart host teaching the course. Great job, guys. And now you see, guys, always Philip is providing outstanding course content. I told I am not photographer. I can benefit from the great and informative course in many ways. So what I do like to put on a German perspective, how to start a business in the business consultant, very expensive, charges something. So definitely this course really worthwhile, guys. Once you will, I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will watch the free presentation. After you will see this course really worth or not, and check it and give you a valuable comment in my comment section. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.